10 months after this young guy's hair restoration with us at Musk. And how do you feel?
I'm feeling fantastic, more
Yes.
confident in my life
Uh-huh.
now.
And how has it changed your look, your personality, and your everyday life? That's what I would like to know.
I would say, that the most important thing is I feel more confident in my life now, because before I was like if I'm standing in front of mirror, I was like, I don't want to do this. I just want to stick my hair like this only.
Correct.
But now I can do like this.
Right.
So
now we are at 10 months from this young guy's hair restoration. And where do you come from?
I'm from Chicago.
Chicago. So I'm seeing him exactly after 10 months. Yeah, I've not seen him in between, and this is a massive change. Yes, you should have a look at his hairline. It looks really natural. Yes, as if it was always there. Yes, nothing has been done. Am I correct?
Yep.
Yes. And look at the density of the hair, the angles of the hair. They've been put in such a way that you just can't figure out that anything has been done. Yeah. Now we can just close it. Yeah. So this is how a good natural looking hairline should come as after 10 months from the procedure. And you can see how natural it's come in. We have restored the entire hairline, going from the frontal tuft, the mid scalp till the vertex. Yes. And how did you find the progress? No, how did it happen? Did it happen very gradually? The improvement?
Yep.
Yes.
It started with the, like as you said, right, after second month or second to fourth month, like all the follicles will fall off, and then it started gradually growing the hair. So till like a fourth or fifth month I was wearing a hat. Then after I stopped wearing the hat.
Now many people are worried about some side effects that might happen with a procedure like this. It's been 10 months since your procedure, and how has it been the journey from the day one to date?
Till now?
Till now, yes.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't find any side effects right now. The most important thing is more confidence, and head is growing rapidly. I would say touch wood.
I would like you to show your donor area if you don't mind.
Sure.
Yes. Now this is the area from where we have taken the grafts out. Yes, close to 2600 to 2800 hair grafts. Yes, right from this area. And you can see how nicely it has healed. Yes, you can't figure out that anything has been taken out from here. Can you?
No.
No, right? So again, when you do a hair restoration, it is very important that the balance between the donor area and the recipient area should be there. Yes, we don't want to damage the donor area for the recipient area, and that's something we never do. Yes. So overall, you're happy with the procedure, right?
I'm really happy.
All right. What is that one thing you like to tell people who are skeptical about these procedures, and they're worried that there might be some problems, or how does it help? Does it help only in the look or also in the way you feel?
Both, like on a look and in the way you feel. Once your hair is really growing, then you will have a more confidence to talk to people, and you don't feel that people is judging you because of your baldness.
Correct.
So you will feel good.
So that's exactly what I tell everyone. Yes, it is just not about looking good, it's about feeling good, and that's why you get such procedures done. Yes, it doesn't just make you look good, but just not for vanity. It's much more than that. Yes, it's much more to improve your daily life. Yes, your daily confidence levels, and one good change leads to another good change. Am I right?
Yep.
Yes.
I am.
All right, thanks for this, and wish you a head full of hair throughout life.
Thank you very much.